We're going to do a video real quick for gold GC support levels. These are the gold GC futures contracts traded on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange or the COMEX exchange. We have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 trading day holding periods. And for tomorrow, the 12th of October, we have buys starting on the 1-day column at 1649 and then all the way up to the 20-day column at 1670. These are all for your entertainment purposes only, and you have to do your own analysis. If you take a look at the higher win percentage row, these have a slightly higher win percentage and prices are commensurately different. And 1-day hold is 1699, and then it looks like we get some variation in the middle at 1649 for the 2, 5, and 10-day holds, and then a 20-day hold of 1661 for higher win percentages. So we have buys, exact entry prices tomorrow for you for your entertainment purposes only. You can get these every morning yourself at rbamresearch.com. Link in the description below. Absolutely free, no credit card required. And they're all updated before 7 a.m., usually before 8 p.m. the night before. And so check with us earlier. 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here, including our entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. Can only use them for entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.